How to start budgeting in 2025. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or if you constantly wonder where all your money went, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to start budgeting your money in 2025, step by step. And the best part, it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, clear budgeting system that actually works and helps you keep more of your money. So make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share a few powerful tips that most people miss when trying to budget. Step 1. Track your expenses. The very first step to budgeting is simple. You need to know where your money is going. Most people think they already know, but when you actually track it, you'll probably be shocked at how much money you're spending on things you didn't even realize. So here's what you need to do. Track everything for 30 days. Every dollar you spend, whether it's coffee, gas, groceries, subscriptions, write it down. You can do this using apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or simply use a notes app on your phone. Categorize your spending. Once you've tracked everything, categorize it. For example, food, rent, entertainment, subscriptions, transportation, etc. Identify where you're overspending. Now, look through your categories and ask yourself, where am I spending too much? Maybe you're spending $200 a month on Starbucks without realizing it, or $100 on random Amazon purchases. This is where you'll start to see exactly where your money is leaking. And don't worry, I'm not saying you have to give up all your fun, but you'll at least become aware of it. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to set up a budget that actually works. Most people fail at budgeting because they make their budget too strict. They'll say, I'm never eating out again, or I'm cutting out all entertainment. And guess what happens? They fail in the first week. So instead of doing that, you need to create a realistic budget that you can actually stick to. Here's how to do it. First, set your essentials. These are things like rent, groceries, gas, bills, debt payments, etc. Figure out exactly how much you need every month for those. Second, set a fun budget. Yes, you heard that right. You need a fun budget. This is money for eating out, going to the movies, buying clothes, whatever you enjoy. The key is to give yourself a fixed amount each month so you don't overspend. Third, set a savings goal. This is where you start paying yourself first. Whether it's 10% of your income, 20%, or even more. Set aside a portion of your paycheck into a high-yield savings account or investment account every month. And by the way, if you don't have an emergency fund, your first savings goal should be to build up 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Now, if you're wondering how much money should go to each category, a good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs. This is rent, groceries, bills, transportation, etc. 30% goes to wants. This is fun stuff like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, subscriptions, etc. 20% goes to savings or debt payments. This can go toward your emergency fund, investments, paying off debt, etc. Now, you can adjust these percentages depending on your income and lifestyle. But the goal is to always make sure you're saving something every month. Step 4. Automate everything. Here's what I mean. Set up automatic transfers. If your goal is to save $500 a month, set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. That way, you don't even have to think about it. Use automatic bill pay. Set up automatic payments for your rent, phone bill, utilities. Anything that's a fixed monthly cost. This prevents you from accidentally spending that money elsewhere. Track your fun money. Now for your fun money, you can use cash or a separate debit card just for fun spending. Once that money's gone, it's gone, and that helps prevent overspending. Step 5. Review your budget every month. Alright, now here's where most people mess up. They create a budget, but they never review it. Every single month, take 10 minutes to review your spending and see how you did. Ask yourself, did I stick to my budget? Where did I overspend? Can I cut back in any areas next month? This step is crucial because it helps you make adjustments over time. If you overspend one month, it's fine. Just adjust and try again next month. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Bonus tips for saving money. All right. Now that you have a budget, I want to give you a few rapid-fire money-saving tips to boost your savings even faster. Tip number 1. Cut subscriptions you don't use. Go through your bank statements and cancel any subscriptions you forgot about, like streaming services, gym memberships, or apps you never use. Tip number 2. Always negotiate your bills. Call your phone provider, internet company, or insurance company and ask for a lower rate. You'd be surprised how often they'll lower your bill just to keep you as a customer. Tip number 3. Use cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten or Ibotta give you cashback for purchases you already make online. It's like free money. Tip number 4. Shop with a list. When you go grocery shopping, always make a list and stick to it. It'll save you hundreds of dollars every year. And that's it. If you follow these 5 simple steps, you'll be shocked at how much more money you keep every month. The hardest part is just getting started. But once you build the habit, budgeting becomes easy. So now I have a question for you. What's your number 1 money-saving goal for this year? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another money tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.